The Acebott Education Solution Series is designed for primary and secondary schools. The Acebott Education Solution Series covers 3 themes: smart home, smart transportations, and smart factories. Each theme spans 2 academic years, 4 semesters, total 6 years of curriculum. The course content has shown a comprehensive knowledge system, gradually increasing in difficulty and guiding students from foundation skills in electronics and programming to advanced knowledge area like AI. The Smart Homes curriculum uses smart home scenarios as a teaching background, enabling students to master relevant industry knowledge through simulating the constructions of intelligent lighting, entertainment systems, temperature and humidity control, security system, and household automation. Students learn programming and electronics. The Smart Transportation curriculum uses traffic issue as a backdrop, encouraging students to observe and solve transportation challenges by constructing projects such as a smart traffic light, closed wall parking systems, and auto driving. Students can learn multidisciplinary knowledge in programming, science, and engineering. The Smart Factory curriculum allows students to understand core technology and workflows of smart factory through simulating the constructions of intelligent robotic arms, smart assembly lines, intelligent warehouse, and smart logistics systems. Students learn programming, electronics, and scientific knowledge. Each theme's kit is accompanied by a sandbox map, allowing students to showcase all their projects in a single sense after completing 2 semesters of coursework. This setup simulates the functional applications of the real-world scenarios. Each course is accompanied by textbooks and teaching slides. The textbook covers a wealth of knowledge points, providing enhanced teaching resources for educators. Additionally, they outline a complete teaching process, empowering teachers to prepare lessons efficiently, making it easy for teachers to get started. Each course deeply implements the STEAM teacher philosophy, integrating knowledge from various disciplines such as science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics, hereby achieving an interdisciplinary teaching model. The teaching slides serve as a supplementary tool, supporting teachers in delivering engaging multimedia lessons, enriching classroom content, and helping students gain a deeper understanding of the course material. All courses support Scratch and Arduino programming, catering to various programming teaching needs. Through the Acebott Education Series, students can systematically master programming knowledge, gain a comprehensive understanding of interdisciplinary concepts, and utilize Ed Inventor to develop mobile applications, rapidly enhancing theoretical skills and fostering innovative thinking.